How to measure your own audiogram with hearDELIGHT. 1. Run the hearDELIGHT app. 2. Touch the menu icon. 3. Select custom settings. 4. Select audiogram. 5. Select measure audiogram. 6. Touch sound on. 7. Choose left or right ear. 8. Select a frequency. 9. Move a green circle along the scroll bar to the point where you can barely hear the sound. 10. Touch audible. 11. After finishing measurement at all frequencies in both ears, touch save. 12. Type in the file name for your measured audiogram. 13. Touch done. The audiogram data is stored only on your device. If you select Load Audiogram as shown in Step 14, the audiogram data will appear in the Measured Audiograms section, as shown in Step 15. 16. If you touch the question mark in the Measure Audiogram screen, the instruction pops up. For details, please visit hearDELIGHT.com. Thank you.